The law of attraction is a powerful universal law that works through the principle of like attracting like. If you imagine your desires, visualize them, and truly believe in them, you can turn your dreams into reality. In today's video, we'll talk about how imagining your desires 100 times can activate the power within you and bring them into existence. It might sound simple, but consistency in your thoughts and intentions can truly make a huge impact on your life. Your thoughts have a powerful frequency that attracts corresponding energy. When you focus on something, whether it's a goal, a dream, or an ideal outcome, you are sending out energy to the universe that aligns with your intentions. By imagining something 100 times, you're essentially reinforcing your belief in its possibility. The more you think about your desires, the more you bring them closer to reality. When you visualize, you aren't just daydreaming. You're engaging your mind and emotions in a process that tells your subconscious that what you are imagining is not only possible, but inevitable. Your mind doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined, which is why visualization is such a powerful tool in manifesting your desires. Just like when you consistently train a muscle, the more you repeat your thoughts and imaginations, the stronger and more focused your energy becomes. This mental discipline is a crucial aspect of manifesting. The law of attraction is rooted in the idea that what you focus on expands. When you imagine your desires, you send a clear message to the universe about what you want. The more you visualize your dreams, the clearer your intentions become, and the universe responds by aligning circumstances, people, and opportunities that match your vibration. Imagine imagining your desire 100 times. Each time you do, you are planting a seed of possibility that can blossom into reality. The universe is constantly working in the background, orchestrating events to bring your vision to life. As you continually focus on your desired outcome, the universe aligns situations that will lead you toward it. The key here is focus and repetition. The more you reinforce your desires in your mind, the more the universe takes notice. Just as you set a clear intention when manifesting, the law of attraction amplifies this focus, bringing your dreams closer with each passing day. Visualization is one of the most effective tools you can use in manifestation. The process involves imagining your dreams vividly and with intense emotion, as if they've already come true. This emotional connection strengthens your belief in the possibility of your desires manifesting, and it communicates directly with your subconscious mind. Start by closing your eyes and seeing your desire. Imagine it with as much detail as possible. Feel the excitement, gratitude, or peace that would come from achieving this goal. By doing this 100 times, you not only reinforce your belief in it, but also deepen your emotional attachment to the outcome. The more you engage emotionally, the stronger your manifestation energy becomes. The power of imagination lies in its ability to create a mental picture of success. This is important because your mind begins to accept the idea of success as a reality. As a result, your thoughts and actions will naturally align with that reality, making the process of manifestation feel more effortless. Consistency is key when working with the law of attraction. Imagining your desires 100 times doesn't mean doing it all in one sitting. You can break it up into smaller, manageable moments throughout the day. This allows you to focus on your desires while staying grounded in your present reality. The act of imagining frequently helps you develop a habit of focusing on abundance rather than lack. Each time you imagine your dreams, you're shifting your energy from a place of scarcity to one of abundance. This shift is essential in creating a vibrational match with what you want. As you continue this practice, you'll notice that opportunities begin to appear more easily, and your mindset becomes more positive and open to receiving. Consistency in visualizing your goals also helps eliminate doubts. Each time you imagine your desire, it reinforces the belief that it's not just a fantasy, it's something that is destined to happen. This repetition boosts your confidence, helping you align with your goals on a deeper level. Emotions are the fuel for your manifestations. When you imagine your desires, it's important to not just visualize them, but to feel the emotions that would come with their fulfillment. Whether it's joy, relief, gratitude, or excitement, these emotions magnify the power of your intentions and attract more of what you want. When imagining your dreams, don't just go through the motions, feel them as if they are already happening. Feel the happiness, the success, and the fulfillment in your heart. These emotions raise your vibration, making you a magnet for the experiences you want to create. The stronger the emotion, the clearer the signal you send out into the universe. By making your visualization more vivid and emotional, you create a strong, energetic connection that will speed up the manifestation process. A critical part of this process is overcoming any doubts and fears that arise when imagining your desires. It's natural to have moments of insecurity, but the key is to acknowledge these doubts without letting them control you. Every time doubt creeps in, remind yourself that your dreams are worth manifesting. By repeatedly imagining your goals, you send the message to your subconscious that you are worthy and capable of achieving them. When you feel fear or doubt, pause and redirect your thoughts. Imagine your desires again, but this time with even more clarity and certainty. The more you do this, the more you reinforce your belief in the law of attraction. With time, you'll begin to see that doubt becomes less powerful, and your faith in the process becomes stronger. The law of attraction works best when you're in alignment with your desires. To align with your goals, your thoughts, actions, and emotions need to be in harmony. If you keep imagining your dreams but aren't taking actions toward them, you may not see the results you expect. Start taking small, inspired actions toward your goals. This could be anything from researching a new opportunity, reaching out to someone who can help, or organizing your space to reflect your desires. Aligning your thoughts with actions solidifies your belief in the manifestation process and speeds up results. The key to alignment is to trust that the universe is guiding you toward your desires. When you imagine your goals 100 times, trust that your actions will naturally follow suit. Manifestation is not always a straight path. The universe may bring unexpected opportunities your way that may seem unrelated to your original goal, but they can help you achieve what you want. When you imagine your desires, remain open to the unexpected and trust that every experience is part of the process. Sometimes the universe needs you to be flexible. Don't get discouraged if things don't appear to unfold exactly as you've envisioned them. The more open you are to new experiences, the more aligned you become with your desires. As you continue to imagine your dreams and manifest your desires, don't forget to celebrate small victories along the way. Every step forward is a sign that your manifestation is on track. These small wins build momentum, reinforcing your belief that your larger goal is within reach. Celebrating these small moments not only keeps you motivated, but it also signals to the universe that you're ready to receive more. The more you celebrate, the more the universe will deliver. It's essential to trust the manifestation process. Once you've imagined your desires 100 times and taken inspired action, trust that the universe will bring everything to fruition in perfect timing. Trust that what you've been working toward will unfold, even if it takes a little longer than you anticipated. Don't rush the process or force outcomes. Trust that everything is working out for you and that the universe is conspiring to bring your desires into reality. Keep the faith, stay positive, and continue imagining your goals. The law of attraction is an incredibly powerful tool for manifesting your desires, and by imagining your goals 100 times, you align your thoughts and energy with what you truly want. Recall that consistency, emotions, and trust are key in this process. Visualize your desires with clarity, take inspired action, and remain open to unexpected opportunities. Your dreams are closer than you think, and with the right mindset, they are bound to come true. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to manifest your dreams into reality.